In this quick video, I would like to show you how to use the SUMPRODUCT function from Microsoft Excel, what are some use cases for it, and what can it help us do. Now, to demonstrate this function, I created a table over here where I have a store inventory with some fruits and vegetables, some quantities, and the price per kilogram. And I would like to find out what is the inventory value, what is the total value of all of the items that we have in our inventory. Now, you might do that by adding a formula over here to multiply the quantity with the price and then drag everything down and do a sum, and you will get the inventory value. But this kind of solution has a few problems. You need to create a new column, you need to do a sum over here, and there's a better way in Excel to do that, and that is using the SUMPRODUCT function. And let's see how the function looks and what does it do. So in cell G3, I'm just going to write SUMPRODUCT, and as you can see from this tooltip, it returns the sum of the products of corresponding ranges or array. Now that's not really clear, so let's see what does that mean. So this function takes a required parameter, which is array number 1, and then some optional parameters which are still arrays. And the first array that we are going to provide is the quantities in kilograms, and we're serving from C3 to C13. And now the second parameter is the price per kilogram range, and we're giving D3 to D13. Now what this function is going to do is going to go in the first array and take the first cell and then multiply it with the first cell from the second array, from column D. Then to that total, it is going to add the product of cell C4 multiplied with cell D4. Then to this other sum, we're going to add the product of D5 multiplied with C5, and so on. Now, when I hit enter, I get 532.76, which is exactly the number that I've got over here. So that's it. This is how you use SUMPRODUCT. Please let me know which option would you pick between these two, calculating this in a single cell using SUMPRODUCT, or creating a separate column and doing all your math in there. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you learned something new, and see you in the next video.